So I enjoy history, and I thought about giving a little bit of history with statutes in the area of domestic relations law. And really, the history relates to legislation that's been enacted in 2010 and then 2016, which is intended to expedite divorces in New York. The first piece of legislation is from 2010, and that's the year when we got irretrievable breakdown of the marriage as a no-fault ground for divorce. Up until 2010, we were still dealing with fault grounds for divorce, and it was adding a tremendous amount of time to cases, strategy decisions, all kinds of issues. And since 2010, virtually every divorce in New York is granted based upon irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for 6 months or more. And it's really removed an entire area of law that we have to discuss with clients and deal with in court. And it has made divorce process more efficient in New York. The other statute was enacted in 2015, went into effect in 2016, and that's the post-divorce spousal maintenance statute. And so with that statute, we now have a formulaic approach to both the amount and the duration of spousal support in New York. And I'm not going to get into the statute, but it does help us process-wise in terms of moving cases forward. And it seems like everyone, including judges and clients, like having a framework for calculating spousal support, for calculating the duration of spousal support, or at least having more, I don't know, rigid or clear parameters in terms of determining what is appropriate spousal support in a case. So with the post-divorce spousal maintenance statute, I could get into complications like caps and duration, how you calculate it based on a marriage of up to 15 years or 15 to 20 years or 20 or more years, but really don't have time to do that. So if you have questions concerning either grounds for divorce or the post-divorce spousal maintenance statute, please feel free to give me a call. I'm Ken Novenstern, Fredman Baken Novenstern, LLP, today in Mount Kisco, New York, but also with an office in White Plains, New York. Take care.